Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. Today is chicken processing day.
Nobody's barefoot today, everybody's in rubber boots. So we got 60 meat birds we're gonna start with, and we got some friends and family. This fellow behind me is Mike Kessel. Go check his channel out, Kicking It with the Kessels. They live in a tiny home, raise some of their own food, off-grid, solar, all kinds of good stuff. Go check them out.
Pretty sure about that pig.
What you think, Lawson?
Dad,
Chicken.
should I just catch one at a time? What do you think?
It don't matter.
Yes. Yes, they will.
We're gonna dehydrate them for stuff. On this side. So there's bones there, there's bones there. Right between them. You don't even have to hardly cut, just kind of push with the knife. Next with the dogs. And then let's get all the rest of the feathers off this. This one ain't got no heart. This was a woman. Oh, wait. All right, we got all the chicken butchering done. We got 60 birds that we'll be putting in the freezer. Just want to thank friends and family that helped out. A lot of hands make for light work. So it's the quickest we've ever got, especially this many birds done. So big thank you to everyone. Everyone had their own little role and went quick and easy.
It was a good day.
It was
I don't
very
know how
good.
many times I said, I cannot believe we are almost done.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
That went a lot quicker than I thought it was going to.
Yeah.
How long did it take?
Altogether, maybe 2 hours, something, 2.5.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
So we're gonna let them chill in these ice baths for a few hours. Then we're gonna clean them up real good, and I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator, leave them in there for 3 days or so, and then on the next video you'll see us processing them the rest of the way down and vacuum sealing them and freezing them up. We got a big bucket of chicken feet. We're gonna dehydrate for dog treats.
Yay, Gracie.
Want dog treats?
Oh, and again, the Kessels were here helping us. They also have a YouTube channel. Go to Kicking It with the Kessels and check them out. They also videoed what we did today, and they'll have their video up soon too. See you on the next one.
And remember to like and subscribe to the videos. Peace.
Bye-bye.